अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों। वेलकम टू राज़ी टीवी। इंफॉर्मेशन और एंटरटेनमेंट की मुनफरिद दुनिया, जहां ढेर सारी कहानियां, नॉवेल्स और सियासी अपडेट्स और उसके अलावा आपकी पसंद के टॉपिक्स पर वीडियोस पोस्ट की जाती हैं। राज़ी टीवी को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको इस चैनल पर हर नई आने वाली वीडियो का अलर्ट फौरी मिल सके। शुक्रिया। Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record audio with an Audacity app. First, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go to straight up to Start menu, and then from here, since Audacity is not really the main thing that we use, you're just gonna have to search it. This right here, Audacity app. Let it open. Okay, just minimize that. Alright. Okay. From here, you just record some of the bits, things like that. Hello. Now, how to do noise reduction, the noises that you do not want to hear. So you're just gonna do a selection, a portion of it, and you're just gonna go to Effect, Noise Reduction. All you have to do is just get like the noise profile. This is done there, and you're just gonna select it all. So you can either select it all like that, or you can just do a press Control and A to select all. And now you just have to go back to this effects option, go to effects, and then repeat noise reduction. Now you see as things have properly changed. You can do it 1 or 2 times just to clear it up. You can literally see that all the noise that was here is being subtracted from this as well. That's how you do a noise reduction to make your audio really clear. Thank you.